Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing Merch by Amazon update number 43. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get some new free fonts in your Photoshop so that you can use them in your t-shirt designs. So I'm in Photoshop right now, and as you can see here, Photoshop comes with, pre-installed fonts, and there's a lot of them. There's a lot of different cool kinds. But sometimes you just want a really eccentric, different font that's not in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you guys how to get some free fonts to use and install on your Photoshop. So first thing you want to do is head over to Google, and I've got an example here. So the example I've got here is Free Space Fonts. And the website that I typically like to use is 1001fonts.com. So I'm going to click on this one. And I like this website because it shows me which ones I can use for commercial use. So when you hover over these things here, it says that this font is free for personal use, so you can't use it for commercial. But when it's green like this is a free font that you can download and use for commercial use. So you can use this on your t-shirts. So you want to make sure that it's the green tag when you're downloading shirts to make sure that you guys can use them legally. Alright, so let's say I wanted this font here. I like how big and bold it is, and I'm going to do like a text style design with this particular font, and I like this font. I want to download this font. So I'm going to make sure that it's free for commercial use. Good, thumbs up, I like it. I'm gonna click download. And then it's gonna download really fast into a zip folder. Alright, so once we have the file, I'm just gonna drag it onto my desktop. I'm gonna double click to open it up. Sorry guys, if it sounds like my throat is all weird, it's like I have this cough right now, and it's actually really scratchy right now. So anyways, after you double click, you want to find the font. It was called Kenny Space. I'm going to double click on that. And then here on the top left, it says install. So I'm going to click install. And then there you go. It installed on your computer. It's not just going to show up on your Photoshop, it's going to be on, like, if you've got Word or wherever you use fonts. Like, it's going to be in my editing software as well, Camtasia. So you just installed it on your computer, and it will show up on Photoshop, but it will be on other softwares as well. So I'm going to click X out of this. Now, you may be going on here, and then you might try to look for it, and then it's not there. You actually need to restart Photoshop, and then it's going to show up. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, I've just restarted Photoshop. Now let's head down here. It was called Kenny Space. So let's go over here. And here it is right here. So I'm going to click on this, and let's just do a quick space, text, and let's make this black. Alright, so there you go. That was the font that we downloaded. It's actually a pretty cool looking font. So that's how easy it is. That is how you download free fonts for you to use in your Photoshop so that you guys can create awesome t-shirt designs. If you guys have any more questions on how to do things, please let me know in the comments section below, and I'd love to create a video for you. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.